Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to move Roblox to another drive. Are you looking for a quick guide how to move Roblox to another drive? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so if you have your Roblox folder right here, and if you want to move it, as you can see, this is in C, this is documents, and you want to move it, say, to your D, to your storage, all you need to do is click on it, right-click on it, and since I'm in Windows 11, I can just click copy here, right? And just go here in the storage, right click on it, and just, paste. And then I could just delete this one. And my Roblox files will now be here in the storage, and it's now in a different drive. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.